One notable example of a business that initially failed but later became highly successful is the story of Apple Inc. In the mid-1970s, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple Computer Company in Jobs' parents' garage. They introduced the Apple I, a single-board computer, which garnered attention but had limited commercial success due to its niche market. Apple struggled to secure funding and faced challenges in scaling production. Their second iteration, the Apple II, released in 1977, was more user-friendly and became a commercial success. However, internal conflicts arose within the company, and by the early 1980s, Apple experienced setbacks with the release of subsequent products, including the Apple III and Lisa, which did not perform well in the market. The turning point came in 1984 with the launch of the Macintosh. Despite its innovative features and a successful Super Bowl ad, initial sales were lower than expected due to its high price and limited software availability. The Macintosh faced tough competition from IBM and other PC manufacturers, leading to internal clashes at Apple and Jobs' eventual departure from the company. Apple's decline continued through the 1990s, facing challenges in product development, marketing, and management. The company struggled to maintain a competitive edge in the computer market, facing declining market share and financial difficulties. However, Apple's fortunes changed dramatically in the late 1990s and early 2000s. In 1997, Steve Jobs returned to Apple as CEO, bringing a renewed vision and focus. Under his leadership, Apple made several strategic decisions that reshaped its trajectory. Streamlining product line. Jobs simplified Apple's product line, reducing the variety of products and focusing on a few key offerings. Innovative products. The introduction of groundbreaking products like the Mac, iPod, iTunes, and later the iPhone revolutionized multiple industries. These products were not just technological advancements but also disrupted existing markets and consumer behavior. Design and user experience. Apple emphasized sleek design, intuitive user interfaces, and seamless integration of hardware and software, setting new standards for product aesthetics and functionality. Retail expansion. Apple launched its own retail stores, creating a unique customer experience and controlling the entire sales process. Ecosystem and services. Building an ecosystem around its products. Apple created a strong ecosystem with services like the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, further solidifying customer loyalty. The iPhone, introduced in 2007, became a game-changer for Apple. Its revolutionary touchscreen interface, combined with internet capabilities and an App Store, transformed not only the smartphone industry but also Apple's fortunes. The iPhone's success propelled Apple to become one of the most valuable and influential companies globally. Apple's journey from near failure to unparalleled success showcases the importance of innovation, strategic leadership, and perseverance. It demonstrates how a company can reinvent itself, capitalize on its strengths, and evolve to meet changing market demands, ultimately achieving remarkable success.